Here we are, morning in New Orleans, and everything just feels so much more sober. And look who it is. She got out of the snowstorm. Alright, I couldn't resist. Number one, because we picked the restaurant that had a band. I think I made the guy across the street feel bad because we decided not to go to his place, but... So, I got the New Orleans tourist sampler. We've got beans and rice, the jambalaya, the gumbo, and I think this is just crawfish and shrimp.
There you go. There you go. Buggy, buggy. Carriage stores $15 for loading the buggy.
Yeah.
Buggy rides loading up. Buggy, buggy, buggy.
All right. So we're gonna try to get our French Quarter history in.
Welcome to New
With
Orleans.
our man. Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Hey.
Right. From the Gulf of Mexico to Canada, except for the Republic of Texas, we bought for $15 million. If you're scoring at home, it's just under 4 cents an acre. It was one of the sweetest land deals in recorded history.
Hello. Here at Lafitte's blacksmith shop, where Madeline got the world famous hurricane. It's most likely illegal to drink and steer a carriage, but that's not our problem. So, what do we do so far? We took a carriage ride. We stopped by Lafitte's blacksmith shop, and Madeline got a hurricane, and she is completely wasted already, and it's only 3 o'clock. And we stopped here at Cafe Du Monde to get ourselves a beignet and a cafe au lait. This is just a coffee with chicory in it. It's tasty. And this beignet, oh yeah. Madeline decided she's done with that hurricane, but the damage has been done. Here in Jackson Square, so named because in honor of the music group, the Jackson 5. And there's this guy on a horse. And
Jackson 5? In Jackson Square? That you would say that in the face of the reality? It's really good for us Americans and our appreciation of history, because that's really cool. I'm gonna remember that.
so what do you think of the St. Louis Cathedral? I think you're feeling guilty because you stepped in here completely blotto.
No.
At 4 in the afternoon. How can you resist the beignets, the named of course after the John Beignet Ramsey.